They say one of Biafra Liberation Army. They say the guy don't come out to go join Ebubeagu. He no reach that one. No. Now they say he can't carry Ebubeagu and Nigeria Army. Can they come inside the camp where the Biafra Liberation Army they camp? As he reach there, I can't forget say him follow army, them be spirit. According to Biafra Liberation Army, as they take talk for this video, I go play you. They say as they come, now they release to Obunigwe. He say everybody scatter. No be small thing, no. We will go find out how this thing take happen, because the thing no be small matter. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Sh0çk. Here we dey bring you information of ogbonge news as it dey happen everywhere, and as it dey hot. Wetin we dey bring you na wetin person talk o, and I go come tell you say who talk am. No be small thing. So let's quickly jump into the matter what we get for hand. But before we do so, make sure say you give the channel a follow and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important, so that you go get our update back to back as it dey hot. Let's jump into the matter what we get for hand today. Oh, they say one Biafra Liberation Army will run go join Ebubeagu. They say the guy don't finally carry their the Nigeria Army and the Ebubeagu. They come where their camp dey. May come by him follow army, but as he want reach that area, he no say him follow Biafra Army wey live run. They dey in alert. Now so they send to Obunigwe go meet them. Now the Obunigwe come scatter all of them with their armor tank, and so all of them come run. Okay, my people, we'll go watch this video from beginning to end, because we update you people say they dey into battle yesterday, but we no can know how it can happen. Now this one Biafra Liberation Army now don't come outside, may come clear or say see wetin happen. So we'll play the video, may you watch from beginning to end before we come back and proceed. Watch the video.
I'm come this evening to update you of what have been going on in the land of Biafra. Nigeria is coward. Believe you me, they are coward indeed. Yesterday, they came with their foot soldier because they have entered in contract with one of the soldiers that ran away from our camp to join Ebubeagu. So, to him, he thinks that he have known us fully. He's one of the saboteurs anyway. And he thinks that he have known us and he can bring the enemy to the lands of Biafra. And that was why they came yesterday with 2 armor tanks and few soldier personnel. Immediately the first Obunigwe blew, and the second one claimed their life as massively. They have no other option than to retrieve and run away. So the war did not even last up to 20 minutes. It didn't last up to 20 minutes. Believe you me, the war did not last up to 20 minutes while they retrieve. Today, they have come with their fighter jet, standing distantly, and throw about 3 to 4 bombs in the land of Biafra. And they retrieve. Nigeria is very cowardly. They do not have soldier. Every soldier in Nigeria forces are illiterate. They are not competent. How can you just come and throw bomb and retrieve? How many times will I tell you that your bomb does not have access to our camp? How many times? Your bomb cannot have access into our camp. No matter the bomb you throw inside this valley, it cannot explode here. As soon as I finish throwing the bomb, then send their drone to come and fish, and then video where the bomb explode. And the drone came, and the drone did not see anywhere where bomb explode in our camp. I'm here to tell you that every bomb you throw, go to the nearby community. The innocent people of Biafra are the people you came here to bomb. Your bomb will never explode in our camp. The earlier you get this in your mind, the better for you. Your bomb cannot explode in our camp. The community this bomb normally go to explode is not near, it is not near also. Because within this community where we dey, we don't seal the whole community with bomb protective. Or should I call it bomb protection? No matter what you throw, it cannot land in this community where we dey. The same way you cannot see us when you come physical with the land soldier to battle us, you cannot see us. In the same way your bomb cannot explode in our land. The earlier you know this, the better for you. I've told you that we are fully prepared for you. You don't believe me? We are the people you killed many years ago, and we are back to claim what is fully belongs to us. You cannot stop us. The more you fight, the more you will lose. If you like, come in 100, come in 1,000, come in million, you will fall in 100. You will fall in 1,000, and you will fall in unity. If your mind is telling you that you can succeed in us, then tell your mind that it's deceiving you. We are untouchable. We are unbreakable. We are undefeatable. We cannot fear death. We never fear. You have killed us before, and we are back to proclaim that which is rightfully belongs to us. And I will advise you to bring more soldier, land foot soldier, bring foot soldier to combat us, and see if they will go back alive. Na me be the Holy Ghost of Biafra. I no send you. This is the last miracle on earth. As the great prophet I have already prophesied. Nnamdi Kanu have already prophesied that the restoration of Biafra is the last prophecy that must be fulfilled. The last miracle on earth. You take him joke as a joke. You take this as a joke because everything in Nigeria is a joke. But I'm here to tell you that prophecy must be fulfilled in our time, which means that Biafra must be restored in our time. It does not really matter who you be or what you they do. You have thrown 4 bombs so far in Osumowo, but I'm here to tell you that your bomb where you throw, no land for our ground. Each bomb where you throw, they go land for innocent community. Hope you are only killing innocent Biafrans. You cannot see us. You cannot get us. You can't see us and you can't get us. Nothing where you go do where go reach us. We no fit die 2 times. We are fully prepared for you. We are fully prepared for you. If your mind tell you say you are strong, you can combat us. Come, use your foot soldier now. Come to Osumowo. Come to Olu. And see whether you go fit go back with your 2 legs. Will they fear you? Do you see us as person where they fear? You are now paying Facebook to see to it that they can block everybody where they talk about Biafrans. Facebook have been putting their more effort, but this Zuzabat, what in them they call a foolish man. There is no amount of money where Nigeria will pay you compared to the amount of money where you will get with Biafrans. So I don't see your nonsense where you they do with my Facebook. I no want to talk. But I am telling you that if you succeed doing that which they are persuading you to do, to block my Facebook, now you go suffer this consequence. I no want to talk much. And they tell you, say, now you go suffer the consequence. Leave Nigeria for Nigeria. Nigeria have been marked for destruction. And Nigeria must be destroyed. Nobody can save Nigeria, not spirit from the water, not Mami spirit or the land spirit or up and down spirit. Nothing can save Nigeria. Nigeria have already been marked for destruction and Nigeria must be destroyed. Anybody who try to save Nigeria will be destroyed alongside with Nigeria. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Anybody who thinks saying feel redeem Nigeria go destroy alongside with Nigeria. Zugabai or waiting your name be. You are doing business. If you love yourself, stay away from anything that concerns Biafra. Anything concern Biafrans, stay away. If you put your hand, now that thing will go destroy you. I go tell you, say, many media don't come, social media don't come, don't go. They know they hear about them again. And if you put your hand, now so you go join them, go. How many people they use yahoo.com? How many people they use to go? So many people don't abandon to go. To go is no longer easy. Yahoo.com, nobody they even want to use them. Everybody now don't switch to email. They don't switch to Google. If you mess up yourself, you go join to go and go forever. And it's just a piece of advice. Be careful and be warned. Biafra is a spirit. Biafra is a religion. Biafra is a nation that you cannot toy with you cannot joke with, you cannot play with. If you play with Biafra, you play with your life, you play with your business, and you cannot survive what the output will be. Hope. Your mission is to destroy every young man of Igbo so that they will not be able to rise up and fight against the terrorist group of Nigeria. But you have failed on arrival. Nigeria today have embarked on strike. Ask them, why are you on strike? Why are you on strike? Because things are not good for you. You don't like the way things are going. But let me tell you, Nigeria are not good for anybody. The only solution of Nigeria is integration. The only solution of Nigeria is integration. If you don't believe this, Nigeria will happen to you. There is no angel that will come from heaven that is capable to restore Nigeria. Because the name is fraudulent. Look at the name. Niger area. Niger is an abusive word. If you call anybody Niger, in Britain, you go to prison. Why do you accept to bear the forbidden name, the abusing name? Nigeria, where the area full of nigger, is the meaning of Nigeria. Niger will call you Nigeria. America will call you Nigeria because you are a nigger. A nigger area belongs to nigger. You are a nigger full of that area. Let me tell you this. The worst thing that can happen to you is Nigeria. Until you learn how to defend yourself, arise and defend yourself, nobody will defend you. You say you have House of Representatives, they are not representing you. They are representing their stomach and their family. Your House of Representatives are only representing their stomach and their family. They don't know you. Until you learn how to rise up and fight for yourself and your future, you remain in a particular place and cry, and your cry will not be heard until you die. That is why Biafra take it upon themselves to restore the land of Biafra for themselves and for their children and unborn children. I will challenge you. If you think you can stop us, step forward. If you think you are strong enough to challenge us, step forward. Let us know what you have on board for us. They have come this evening and throw about four bombs. Their foot soldiers have been afraid to come since. Hope, even when Hope doubled their money to come and combat us, then refuse. Hope tripled their money so that they will come and die in the land of the rising sun. Hope, I beg, triple these people money. Charge them, encourage them to come to Osumowo. The land of Biafra want to suck blood. We are here to restore Biafra, nothing more, nothing less. And if your spirit tell you that you can stop us, I'm pleading with you to step forward. This is the land of our ancestors. In this land of our ancestors, that hand over to our father, that hand over to us, that we must hand over to our children and our unborn children, I challenge you that we go nowhere. Nothing in this world you can do us that will move us even an inch. Come with whatever weapon you like to come with. But I'm here to tell you that whatever things you come with, now that thing will kill you. Because waiting past you is stronger than you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, no be smart, you know. As you take here and for here, now so we take care of them too. With the watch closely, waiting they happen. That's why we dey here today bring you a good news as it dey hot. They say the guy, he just run from the camp. Come out, but wetin make e run we no know, but we know say e run come out, come join Ebubeagu, come dey carry them. You know say that one e no good though, because e don't know the whole Àrmy way. But according to the Biafra Libératiøn Àrmy, say their power no reach that side. But however, we are here to bring you good news as it dey hot. Guys, share this video and make sure say you tag so many people. Share the video as many as you can, you know. And make sure say they follow this page for more updates as they hot. We're here today bring you, and leave your own opinion for comment section. Let us know what you think for comment section, guys. So we'll see you for the next update as they hot. You know, as we do them now.